Yawning isn't laziness, it's a built-in brain cooling signal that tells your body sleep pressure is peaking. When your core temperature drops slightly at night, sleep signals cascade, and daytime yawns become a reliable cue. Contrary to common myths, yawning does not waste energy. It helps reset neural warmth and sharpen focus after fatigue. The surprise, a brief morning temperature spike can blunt that natural yawning cue, nudging you toward grogginess all day. Turn this into a quick rule: keep your room cool before bedtime and avoid hot, heavy workouts late evening, and share your results in the comments while you subscribe for more sleep science tips.